Are you still building your college list based on vibes? Or maybe your neighbor said, "Oh, my daughter loves it there. They're ranked in the top 10 and they've got a fantastic mascot." This right here is a plan. This thing will help you build a college list based on what actually matters, not vibes or what your neighbor thinks. It starts with a quick survey that your teen fills out with exactly what they're looking for in a school, and then helps you build a scoring system that will let you know how good a fit a school actually is, not just what you hear about it in those Facebook groups. You take the results of that survey, plug it into ChatGPT with a prompt that I've already designed for you, and boom, you get a top 25 list that is perfect for your kid. Not just based on some rankings that US World and News Report puts out there. This is based on what your child is looking for. You wouldn't buy a house without a budget or knowing your priorities, so why are we picking colleges like we're just throwing darts? This kit does what a $10,000 college consultant can do, all for the price of lunch. So yeah, you could go with vibes, or you could try this tool that is going to make a huge difference in your child's college admissions search. The link's in the bio. Let's get that list going.